people. So this is my ninth video of the day, and in this video I need to say this, people, that in case you have small children at home, and like now with the rainy season, with the onset of the rainy season, coughs and colds are becoming common. So I've realized boiled ginger water has a very soothing effect on the throat, and it's difficult to make children have boiled ginger water. So the next best option is to boil ginger water and use that water to make something like Maggie or something which a child will gobble up very easily. So in that way, at least that uh, boiled water will go into their system. I know this is a rather lame tip, you might say, but no, yeah, these basic common sense tips, especially as new parents, it doesn't occur to one, all that easily. So just keep this in mind, people, that whatever you need to feed your child, just uh, you have to camouflage it in this way, Maggie or something, and boiled water is what will go into the system. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.